Hello everyone. This is Rishikesh, and as you have already seen what I am doing on this channel, I generally mm, come live and solve a particular lead code problems, or I discuss some topics that are important for interviews as well. So that is what about the channel and the live streams. This is mainly focused for the student who is preparing for software engineering jobs, artificial intelligence development jobs like that, which we generally comes under the IT sector. So basically, our content and our audience is this type of so. So if you are not in this category, just quit this live stream, go study whatever you are willing to study, and whatever you are doing, just do that. In this video, I am going to not teach, as I am going to discuss the things. Mainly, I'll pick some of the mostly I'll pick two graph problems and one tree problem and one sliding window, right? I am going to pick four of the problems. One is graph problem. No, two is graph problem. One is tree problem, and one is from the sliding window. That makes total of four. Now, okay. And apart from this, I also going to answer some of the basic programming questions that frequently asked in the many of the interviews, so that will so that I got the idea how to explain the answers in the interview. That's why I'm here practicing and improving my communication skill to improve make a great impact on the interviews. That's why I am here explaining. So what I did is that I'll just take some of the questions from Google Gemini or other AI platforms and going to answer all of the questions that are questions that are given by the bots. Okay. Now come to Gemini. Gemini, what is okay? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I am BTech fourth year. Oh, I just came into the fourth year. Okay, I am fourth year mm, student and proficient. What? Just close this sidebar. I don't want to public my private tabs. That's why I just hide. And proficient in Java programming. Ask me fundamental or a good interview, whatever interview problems, questions. In fact, so what is the difference between question and problems? Guess what is that? I'll I'll answer later on. Let's see what this giving. Am I live or not? Like, let's say, firstly check this because this is the important. This is the important. If I will be not live, then what is the benefit of doing this? Nothing. Next time I'll procrastinate this live streaming thing. If I will be not live. So let's check that. So my energy, my speaking, don't gonna waste. Why? Okay, I just throw my phone to in network area. Here there is no network. Mm-hmm. This is my what to do. This is my Twitter account. I'm not active on Twitter that much, but yeah, I should. Let's open my channel. Your channel. Am I live or not, guys? Am I live or not? If I will be live, then I'll start. Okay, I'm live. Let's go. Let's check am I audible or not. Audibility is on. Okay, I am audible. Let's pick up the questions. What exactly happened under the hood, unicorn? Basically, a week ago, I just asked this Hasman things to Gemini. That's why it's again asked to revert back to me. So that's why I changed to ask more questions, even though I know how it works. The immutability of a string. Why is string immutable in Java? How does this design choice impact the string pool, multi-threading, and security? Hmm. Questions are actually really good, and actually these questions are really good, and I don't know that much how could I answer this. Actually, I know what is more method overriding, method overloading. Okay, whenever whenever we what is so basically I am going to answer the method overriding. Okay, okay. So method overriding is a runtime polymorphism in which the mm, which method should run. This is decided at the runtime, and uh, uh, this is decided at the runtime, and whatever class we have create, whatever object we have created of that particular class. Mm, that uh, mm, this is the thing. So method overriding is the polymorphism runtime in which we decide which method to run at the runtime. So basically, this is decided by uh, which object uh, from which class we have created the object. From that from their method is called. Like for an example, if I created a method drive in the car class, okay, and I have created same drive method in the Bugatti, okay, and Bugatti class is extend to car class, okay. Then in the runtime, if you override the method drive from the car class, so basically at the runtime, this is decide which method will run from which class, like which method, which car or Bugatti methods run at runtime. Okay, I don't know how could I explain. Okay, let me think. Methodology is a Java achieves is how Java achieves runtime polymorphism dynamic concurrence. It allows a class to inherit a general contract or behavior from a parent, but tailor that behavior to its specific needs without changing the machine. Actually, the problem is not an explanation. The problem is the depth of the knowledge that I haven't. It's very disappointing for me, but it is the reality. I don't know that much of what to explain, how to explain, repetition, go back and revise the concepts. I didn't do this thing. How could I do? How would I explain these all things in the interview? What to do? Okay, I'm going to cut to the live stream. I don't want to live. It's been very disappointing for me to answer, even a single and simple question. I don't know what to do. How everything works internally, I don't even know.